Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So believe it or not, it has been 2 years since I did my original habits for keeping a clean home video. And let's just say things have changed in 2 years. Now that I have a toddler, it's almost as if there's a little messy gremlin that just follows me around room by room. Sometimes I ask myself, why even bother? Why do I even try? Then I remember that I have a cleaning and organization channel on YouTube. Because of my new circumstances, my methods and tricks for keeping my home clean have changed. These are more realistic, easy to implement habits that you can institute in your daily life to keep things as clean as possible. Of course, we're never going to be perfect. Most days things are out of place, but I try my best and that's the most you can do. Also want to remind you, you have a couple days left to enter my MacBook giveaway. So all you need to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel with the notifications turned on. So you might as well do that. And don't forget, Mother's Day is May 13th. That is 1 week from when this video goes up. So I did a video last week with some cute and easy DIY Mother's Day gift ideas. I'm also going to have a link in the description box with some Amazon gift ideas. So you should be covered there. So let's go ahead and jump into my habits for keeping a clean home in 2018. One of my biggest tips in my last version of this video was to clean as you go and follow the one-touch method, which is basically put things away as you use them. I realize now that that's not practical for everybody, especially if you have a kid running around. Now what I do is I have implemented speed cleaning twice a day. So I do 1 session in the morning and 1 session in the evening. When Carter goes down for his first nap, I set a timer for 15 minutes and I just clean up as much as I can in that time, and you'll be surprised on how much you can actually accomplish in a short period of time. I do the same thing, 15-minute speed clean in the evenings, and Ryan will help me with this. So he tackles a couple rooms, I tackle a couple rooms, and we're able to accomplish a lot more, which leads me on to my next tip, which is get others involved. Whoever you live with, no matter how young or how old, chances are they are willing to help. If you have kids at home, starting at a young age, make cleaning fun, make it a game. Carter is still a little too young, but I am still starting him, getting him involved, helping me clean. He likes to pretend to do the laundry. He even will walk around the house with a little vacuum cleaner. So start him young. Next habit is putting away your makeup products right after you use them. And this is something that really doesn't take much more energy. It just takes you being conscious and aware as you're applying your makeup of putting things back where they belong. So by doing this, my vanity area never gets too messy or out of control. So it's a lot easier to maintain. A habit to help keep my bathroom clean is, instead of having stuff out on the countertops, I put my bathroom essentials in this drawer. So as I'm getting ready, I just open the drawer, use what I need, and put it back in the drawer, close it up, and there's no visible clutter or mess. Now, if you don't have a drawer that you can use, get a pretty basket or a tray and put all of your toiletries together displayed there, and it will just look nicer versus having your stuff out everywhere. Probably my #1 cleaning habit that I'm the most strict about is putting my dishes in the dishwasher immediately. Ryan had this thing he would always do. He would say that he was just soaking his dishes. And I feel like it's a myth. I think it's just a stall tactic to avoid putting your dishes away. Penny, can you take care of your dishes over here?
Hon, those are soaking.
Taking care of your dishes yet?
Oh, those are still soaking.
All right, it's been 3 days. Can you please take care of the dishes?
Look, soaking is a process. Your negative energy right now is slowing down that process.
I give up. Making your bed in the morning is one of those habits that everybody talks about. Your parents probably nagged you about your entire life, but it does make a really big difference. It just starts your day on the right track. My super easy method for making my bed now, what I do is before going to sleep, I fold my comforter onto the foot of my bed. It's the hotter months now, so I don't need my big heavy comforter. I sleep under the sheets, and then in the morning when I wake up to make my bed, all I have to do is unfold my comforter onto the bed, and I have a made bed, and it takes little to no effort. So I still swear by cleaning as you cook, but I have found some different tips and tricks to make it easier. One of the things I found actually from Wish, I was doing a review, and it's this little gadget that hangs off the side of your kitchen drawer, and as you're cooking all of your scraps and trash, you can just throw into this little baggie, and it makes it so much easier to clean as you cook. My personal biggest cleaning challenge, the bane of my existence, is keeping my floors clean. We have these dark hardwood floors that show every single speck. So a new thing I started doing is I got this mini cordless vacuum. It was only $50. It's really small and compact, and it fits in the broom closet in my kitchen. So it's always there ready to go, and I use it for spot cleaning. So anytime a little mess happens, I can just vacuum it up very quickly. Another habit that has helped keep my floors clean is taking my shoes off when I come in the house. I installed a shoe rack in my entry area, so it makes it clear that you need to take your shoes off when you come in, and just doing this has helped so much. I don't even think we realize how much we're tracking in from the outside. I know a lot of people out there probably already do this, but this is something that's new to me, and it has made a big difference. I swear by my downstairs and upstairs bin, this helps me so much. Basically anything that needs to go upstairs, I put in this little bin, and anything that's upstairs and needs to come downstairs, I put in a bin at the top of the stairs. So that way, anytime I go up or down the stairs, I could bring along the things that need to go there with me. To prevent laundry from getting out of control, I have a set laundry day every week, no matter what. I just have it in my schedule. But I think the biggest challenge and where the mess tends to happen is when it comes to putting your clothes back. So I have a rule that my clothes get put away on Monday. Like sometime during that day, the clothes are washed, and they also have to be put away on that same day. This last one has been a total game changer for me, and it relates to keeping your kids' toys in check, because if you're a mom, you know that toys are everywhere. You don't even know how it's possible.
What the? I guess he's just soaking it.
So a new system that I've implemented, which has been amazing, is I broke up Carter's toys into separate bins. Every day he gets one new bin of toys, and this has been awesome because he's actually excited about his toys again. I make a big deal out of it, picking his bin of toys for the day. And it also keeps his toys much more manageable. Instead of having 1,000 toys all over the house, he has 15 toys he's playing with that day. So I could keep track of them, I could put them away easily, and I don't have toys all over the place like a bomb went off. All right, so those are my current habits for keeping a clean home. But just remember, a messy house is a fun house, so I never stress too much about keeping things clean. I just do my best. All right, so I wanted your feedback on an idea I have for next Thursday's vlog. I wanted to do a day in the lifestyle vlog, and throughout the day put up Instagram polls, and you guys would get to choose what I do that day. So the outfit I wear, where I go, all that stuff. So it kind of is like a choose your own adventure, but in a vlog style. I just thought it could be fun and interactive. I don't know, maybe it's a terrible idea. Let me know your feedback, and also if you have an idea of what I should call it. So with all of that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Thursday with a new video. Bye.